Hello everybody, my name is Justin Hoodie, and thank you all so much for coming on my YouTube channel. So today, we'll be able to actually do like a toy review of the Mace Windu lightsaber. Now, I know the design on it is kind of like okay. Ow, ow. Yeah, it kind of like looking okay. I mean, it kind of more like Mace Windu one, almost like part of armor. But when you actually look carefully right here, that's the main window one. Even though I have like a main window one right here, I kind of like this one better than the other one. And this one it has some battery, so that kind of like awesome. And this one is non-electronic, so it's not electronic. But you can actually mix and match whatever like a lightsaber that you want, and yeah, but oh, and parent, if kids actually wanted to open up the box, kids ask your parent permission to ask your parent permission to help you because we don't want kids to try to hurt themselves or anything else. So I recommend you actually ask your parent to cut it open neatly. Mm, detail. Yeah, come on. And it could be a long cut. That way you need extra parent permission to help you open it. Alright. Okay, got the box open. Get rid of that. Oh, there right now. Okay. Okay, let's just try to cut out all the little pieces and see what we can get out from the box. Okay, that Uno number one. Yeah, there goes. And Uno number two. I'm just peel the sticker off. Yeah. And Uno number three. Number three. And the last but not least, Uno number four. Get rid of that part. Okay, so you have sorry, something else. Okay, so you have all the little pieces of Mace Windu. This one is more like a purple blade. I know you cannot see it, but it's kind of more closer to, yeah, pretty much like the same. But this one is kind of dark, and this one is kind of like light. Then you have this. Now it's kind of more like Master Yoda's, but if you actually wanted to actually put electronic in it, you can. Even though I have I'm just gonna take out the Darth Vader cord for now, on this side for now, and then, yeah. Alright, here we got that. And here about the Mace Windu emitter. Kind of cool with the guard, kind of more like Obi-Wan Kenobi from Phantom Menace and Attack of Clone. The only main theory, and the only thing the main problem is that you move it around. Yeah, it'll probably hurt, so I mean, that's how Hasbro do it. And then cool little activation switch. It kind of more exactly Anakin, Luke, and Wave Blaster. And you have a little thing similar Obi-Wan Kenobi. So that kind of interesting. And then one that kind of more very cool detail on this. You have the little freebies on there. Then you had the old Republic or Jedi logo. And that's kind of cool. So all you end up doing is you need to put it on there and then you just screw it on like so. Even though it have a little bit of step mark on right here, but when you look up by far away, you cannot really see it. So you can top off like this. And there you go. You have your very own Mace Windu lightsaber. Now, it's not gonna like turn on, obviously, but if you actually have a like electronic one like that, then you turn on. Now, you're probably wondering like what is it gonna be like or what it look like. I'm gonna turn off all the lights just to make sure like you actually see. Alright. Everything all the light off, even though it's sunny over there. And let's begin. Okay, I kinda like it. It's fine. I mean, it kinda reminds me of look like blue and not even purple. Unlike the old Blade Builder. Yeah, like I know they're both kind of like the same, but I think the newer one is blinder or like lighter than the other one. This one is a Blade Builder, the old one, and that one is like a new one. Yeah, they're really kind of like. And then this one it go flickering on, and then when it turn, yeah, that kind of like interesting. Let's just try to come on, yeah, turn on the light. That way you can actually see what I'm talking about. Alright, so here is the main window one, the old one that people remember, and then one is like the oh, I should probably take off that cord. There we go. And here is the new one. I should probably just. Okay. You can actually really tell why that did not look like Mace Windu Lightsaber. Because they have like some grips on here, the one doesn't. They want to have like some wing to it. They want to kind of more like Obi-Wan Kenobi from Revenge of the Sith and the New Hope and all that. The clamp is kind of like different than the activation switch. I should turn on some movie. And I give like the point because like they have like a cover tap wheel, and that one doesn't have any. So that kind of like what a bum. So yeah, I mean they're kind of more like exactly like I know like and now I check the blade. I noticed that hmm yeah like the new one is almost like exactly level almost than right here. And I give I did one like a point on this because when you try to hook up on something, they'll light up than the old original. This one is actually made in there we go, 2016, and this one is made in 2021 right now. So that give it a point there, and yeah, but and then I'm going to actually do like a next future. Well, I'm like gonna do like my next video after maybe in the afternoon if I can. And yeah, so I think that all the time that I have. And if you actually love my video, if you like love the video, please hit a thumb up and leave a comment down below on which Mace Windu lightsaber do you like. Do you like the 2001 lightsaber or do you like the 2016? I kind of like the this one right better because it kind of like feel good in the hand. Gonna feel good. Oh wait, I forgot before I wrap it up. Like that one, you can actually hit. Okay, and the other one just again, it's just like non-electronic. Right? Different kind of like different than by the other one. And imagine listen to a hum. Okay, they're old. They want the old one. Okay, and they want a new one. And they want a swing sound. And that new one. Yeah, I think it kind of more by that one that actually win because by well, it kind of might have some electronic knew better than by the other one. Yeah, I still kind of like that one. It's actually very good if I hold it by the hand, by two hand if you actually want to. But this one, I don't know, it kind of more like confusing. And technically, I don't need it. Well, technically, I needed it for by trying to post something on. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumb up and leave a comment down below on which Mace Windu Lightsaber do you like, the 2021 or 2016? And if you are new on my channel, please hit the bell icon and hit subscribe to get notification for my next future video. And for right now, I don't have anything else to do, so I just like I'm gonna like post another video. So try to be aware on that. And yeah, I think that all the time I have. So I hope you guys have a great day and remember, may a voice be with you.